if I have a video of 5K view, how much can I make on YouTube? So this video has gotten 5,000 views since it was published, and this video was published 9 days ago. Okay, so you can see it here 9 days ago. Okay, don't know, can you see it here? You can see. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you how much YouTube pay me for a video of 5K view. Okay, and this is the video that I uploaded 9 days ago. Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Sonia, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing how much YouTube pay me video. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If it's the first time tuning in, do what, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. You guys, just know that the main aim of always doing this how much YouTube pay me video is not to brag. This is me encouraging you out there that YouTube is a platform that you can actually make money from. And yes, so I'm going to be getting my screen record started, because at the end of this video, you guys know that we must definitely talk. So I'll be attaching it here or here. So right now, this is a video I did about get 4,000 watch hour in 28 days from start to finish, detailed and honest. And yes, since this video was published, let's click. So this video has gotten 5.1K, and you can see what YouTube wrote for me. Viewers are up 70%, more regular viewers and choose to watch this video, and they are watching longer than usual, helping to increase its reach on YouTube recommendation. That's a lot of people are still watching this video, and YouTube is helping to recommend this video. And I'm so grateful for that. You guys are amazing, and I love you guys for that, okay? So yes, let's go to the reach of this video. So for the reach of this video has gotten an impression of 60.8K, and this is so beautiful. And this video, the beautiful part of this video is when I get to see my videos from browse features, channel page, suggested, other YouTube features, and others. You can see the external site and source, and you can see videos that are suggesting this content. All of these videos are my videos, and I'm so grateful for that. So if one person is watching one video, it's just so, like, this is so beautiful, okay? So let's go to the engagement of this video. For the engagement of this video has gotten a watch time of 313, and for the audience retention of this video, people are watching 3 minutes 37 seconds, and of which is something I am also grateful for, because it is definitely not easy. And you can see the spike and the likes versus dislikes. And then let's go to the audience of this video. For the audience of this video has gotten 3.6K, and the beautiful part of this video is returning viewers are watching more than new viewers, okay? So it is something beautiful where you are having returning viewers. You can see that my returning viewer spike is way higher than my new viewers, and I'm so grateful for this. And the age watching this video is 18 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44, 45 to 54. And you can see the gender watching, both male and female gender are actually watching this video. Top geographicals, oh my god, Nigerian, United Kingdom, Nigerian, United States, United Kingdom. And if I click, we're going to be seeing Kenya and Ghana, and I love you guys from the depth of my heart. Okay, so this is the top title and languages and the rest of that. Let's move to the revenue of this particular video. For the revenue of this particular video, this video has gotten $16.04, and of which I'm so grateful for this. And how I make my money on YouTube through watch paid ads and YouTube Premium. YouTube Premium is just 80 pence. Hey! And you can see my video performance. For every 1K view, my RPM is $3.20, and of which I'm so grateful for this, to be honest. $3.20. And how much advertisers are paying for this particular videos? Advertisers are paying $6.40 for this particular video, and of which is something to be grateful for. And you can see my earnings by skippable, display, bomber, non-skippable, and then unknown. And yes, this video has been able to fetch me $16.04, and I am so grateful for a video I posted 9 days ago. And who is there that is telling me that consistency is actually not the key? In everything you are doing, apply consistency on your channel, okay? I always said it here, consistency is not you uploading every day because Sonia is uploading every day, or you uploading 5 days because Sonia is uploading 5 days. Consistency is do what works for you. Do the schedule that you know that you can always meet up. If you're meeting up every day upload, it is good. That is your own consistency. If you're meeting up 2 to 3 days upload in a week, it is your own consistency. But most importantly, no matter what you are doing, don't ever think of quitting YouTube. I'll always be saying this to you. There were days, there were times that I was not even able to get 5,000 views coming from all of my videos. I can tell you that. There are times whereby I've not been able to get even $1 coming from 2 videos or 1 videos. But right now it's coming from just 1 videos. Because why? I never quit. So if you're looking out, or you're looking for a chance, or you're looking for means, or you're driving audience for you to quit your YouTube channel, I don't advise you to quit your YouTube channel. It is definitely not a good idea for you. All you need to do is keep doing what you know how to do best. And another thing is, try in as much as possible to work on your channel as days goes by. Nobody knows it all. I keep saying it on this YouTube streets. We are all learning, and we will continue to learn. Even today, as I am here, I don't know it all. I still keep learning, and I am still open to learning. If I see new things that I still want to learn, I still go ahead and learn. And bear it in mind, if you're a new person and this is the first time that you're coming across my videos or anything concerning YouTube at all, if you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour, you are going to join the YouTube partnership program where you are going to be making money. And please, if you've not been watching my ads, why? Please, you see those ads that you are going to watch, or probably as you're watching this video, those ads are displaying, or before you watch this video, those are what pays YouTubers. YouTube Premium is just seconded to nothing. It is the ad you watch that I get paid from. So please do well to help watch my ads. And do well to keep uploading on your channel. Don't ever give up. If Sonia can do it, you can do it. I can't wait to see you up there. I can't wait to see you write in my comment section and say, Sonia, you were the person that encouraged me to continue my YouTube channel. I keep saying it. If how much YouTube pay me video is what I'm actually going to be doing to keep you updated, to keep you encouraged out there, I will continue to do it. Because I noticed that a whole lot of persons, whenever they see how much YouTube pay me, they get more encouraged, they get more uplifted, their spirit is more uplifted that, yes, at the end of the day, their hustle is not going to be in vain. At some point of my life, I was also looking for how much YouTube pay me video. I want to see how much YouTube pay YouTubers. And when I see those videos, I became more encouraged, and I tell myself, if these persons can do it, I can also do it. So no matter what, don't give up. Remember, YouTube, you're not just going to be benefiting from just YouTube. Ad sponsorship is also going to be coming. Influencing job, you're going to be working with brands in as much as or as long as you keep developing your YouTube channel. And remember that even those on top today start from somewhere. So you also need to start from somewhere. Don't ever give up on your YouTube journey, no matter what. I hope this video is able to help someone out there. If it does, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and also let me know in the comment section that, Sonia, I am definitely not giving up. If you can do it, I can do it. We're going to making it on this YouTube streets together. I want to see all of that in the comment section. And if you're looking for subscribers, what are you waiting for? Start engaging in the comment, because a lot of people are coming to subscribe to your channel from the comment section. Anyways, with no further ado, like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you. Keep the money coming.